piece off after the 4 screws, we're gonna see these wires, and once again, we're gonna see our fun wire that's that. Let's see if I can prop you up real quick. There you go. So we're gonna take this wire, and if you haven't seen it yet or noticed it, that notch is the one that we're talking about. And you're gonna see that it matches up with that little notch right there. So anytime you look at it, it's an easy start that you can kind of go there and twist it into where it slides into place. You should only have to twist a little bit, and then we just tighten the collar on it, which threads on. And so we have these, feed that through. So yeah, there you go. And like I was saying, if you wanted to take the top off before you put it up there, you could put it up there, put the roof where you could slide these in and actually see them easier. It's not a bad idea. It keeps you from having to hope and pray you don't smash this metal piece, which can mold it to where it makes it tough to screw on, or if you crush that, then you might have some issues. So we have this piece, which is just a ground wire. So what we can do is you can choose the wire you want. Screw, usually just pick one that's kind of holding the strap down. So I chose the one right here, which is just in that strap. I'll show you after I get it back in there what it's like, which is really easy. You just feed it through the screw, and then you feed it through the strap, and then you go back to the hole. There you go. That one's definitely easier with 2 hands. But yeah, basically you're just getting it to where you have metal to metal contact for the ground wire, and then you can leave the strap on there to hold that wire into place, and everything looks uniform. But technically you could do with that one or that screw if you don't have much room, and for some reason it's not very long cord for you. Technically you could even go with something like that. But yeah, and that's all the wiring. We just want to make sure it's solid, nothing loose, make sure that's solid. That's most likely going to be solid. But other than that, we can put the top back on, which means we just slide it back into place. And then it should just fit there. And we're going to put the 4 screws back in. And that's it.